the concept, let me just tell you that I love using order blocks to trade. Okay, it's very simple. It's very, very easy to understand. All right. So what is the order block? Order block is the zone where there is a significant amount of buy or a significant amount of sell. Do you understand? So it is always significant because there are a large number of buy, a large number of sell in order blocks. All right. So when you notice another block, what you're expecting is that there's going to be a huge volume of buy or a huge volume of sell. So sometimes it can create fair value gap. It can create a large imbalance. Do you understand? So the large imbalance may not necessarily mean that it must be created always. What's the meaning of imbalance? Imbalance is, for example, what you can see on the screen here. This is imbalance. There is no buy or sell at this point. That's why it is empty. Okay, you can see the candle before these large candles and the candle after this large candle created an imbalance, created a space, all right, that pushed the price to the upside. Do you understand? So let's look at other blocks like a significant place where we have buy stop or where we have sell stop. Do you understand? So it is very, very important that you understand what other block means. When you see other blocks, it is going to be very easy for you to understand other, what's it called, other charts. All right. So let me just delete this before I go into what I want to explain. All right, let me just start with the diagram first. So when you notice a swing high or swing low, okay, when you notice a swing high or swing low, order block is always at this point. Okay, this is where you signify a bullish order block. Okay, ORB means order block in case you don't know. These are other points you signify. So that's bullish order block ORB. The one you see at the bottom is the bearish. And the one you see at the top is the bullish. Okay, if it's at the top is bullish, if it's at the bottom is bearish. Now you agree with me that this is a swing point. Okay, this is what swing high. Swing high. Right? This is another what swing low. Then what is this? This is swing high. Okay, SH swing high. SL swing low. All right. So now we need to follow the characteristics of the other blocks, meaning that when you want to tell something, when you tell that this is another block, it must create a long push either upward or downward. Secondly, it is a temporal halt, like the temporal stop of the price. It is the reversal point of price continuation. The same thing, the two. It has no wicks. Sorry, this is not. It has no wicks covering it. The previous candle must be taken out, meaning it must not pass below or above the other block candle. All right, just take note of this. We're going to be using it as we're looking for. When I see one, I'm going to bring the characteristics over. Okay, it's not it. This is. I don't want it to go below. It must take out. All right, from this candle now, I can't see anyone. Let me go to another chart. Is there any valid order block? Now 1 hour candle. This one, no. This one, no. This one, almost. This one, no. Which other one again? Almost. This is like 4 hours. Let's go to another chart again. Order block. I love it. So when I don't see it, sometimes I can just use another. I use another. This one, no. It's possible if we increase the time frame, we might see. Okay, wait, I think let me go back to G. This is 4 hours candle. Okay, I think I see now. This is another block. This is another block. Now look at this candle. This very candle here is the other block. From here to this point. I just map it out, okay? So this is 4 hour ORB. Why is it 4 hour ORB? Let me shift it to the front first. What are the characteristics? Let's take it to the point and see if it has all the characteristics. This is the candle I'm talking about. Okay. Now it creates a long push, either upward or downward. You can see. We got it right. It did what? It created a long push. That's the candle that started it. This is the candle. You can see it created a long push to the down part. It is a temporal hot. Yes, this is a temporal hot. It has no wicks covering it. There is no wick that is covering it. It is the highest. This second one is almost, but this one is like a dodgy candle, indecision candle. So you can see it's like almost up to it, but it's not it. Previous candle must be taken out, meaning it must not pass below or above the other block candle. Very good. Now, this candle, this particular candle, is not passing above it. You know, you see, it's not passing above it. It's not passing below. So that's a valid order block. Do you get it? It's a valid order block. So this is how I'm going to draw the line till when the price gets to that point, because this is the most expensive price. This is the most expensive price. I'm looking at a reversal that when the price gets into this zone, I'll see a reversal to the down part. That is the reason why order block is very, very sweet. It's very, very sweet to trade with the other block. Okay, sometimes you can see it at the top, sometimes you can see it at the bottom. All right, so let's go to another one. We can see another one at the bottom. No, this one is invalid. Is there another one? This one is valid. This is another valid order block. Let's bring the characteristics. Where is it? Yeah, this is it. This red candle is a valid order block. How is it valid? I'll explain it to you. So this is 4 hour ORB. It must not have any candle facing it. There's no candle that must face it. So if I draw this thing all cross through, there must no candle that must face it. Yes, there's no candle facing it, so it's valid. And if you see the one we draw at the top, there's no candle facing it. You can see, so it's valid. Now, it creates a long push, either upward or downward. You can see it created a long push. This is the candle I'm talking about, this very red candle. It created a long push to the upward. It is a temporal hot. Yes, there's a temporal hot here because after this candle, there's no candle coming down again. All right, it is a reversal point of price. Yes, it's a reversal point of price. Remember, we have swing points. So this is a reversal point of price. Okay, you can see reverse. Instead of it to continue going down, it reversed from this point. All right. Another characteristic is that it has no wicks covering it. There's no wicks covering it. This one almost covered it, but it didn't. So this is a takeout I'm talking about now. So this is a takeout that is at this junction. It must not cross it. It must not cross this candle. The next one is the previous candle must be taken out, meaning it must not pass below or above it. This English is too much. Let me just say it does not pass below if it is bearish. If it is bearish, if it's at the bearish side or above, if it is at the bullish side. Bullish side of the other bulk candle. Yeah, that's fine. Now, do you get it now? It must not pass below it if it's at the bullish side. It must not pass. This is bearish side now because at the down. It does not pass above it if it's at the what? You can see this candle before it is not passing above it. If it's passing above it, I won't draw this as another block. Do you understand? And because it's not passing below it, I won't draw this as another block. If it's passing below it, I won't draw it. But because it didn't pass it, so it's a takeout. That's why this place is valid. In the nearest future, save this video. In the nearest future, you will see what is going to happen when the price gets into this zone. You see what is going to happen when the price gets into this zone. I pray you are still with the phone. I pray you are still with your phone, your storage and everything. You see the reaction of the price when it gets to this other block zone. So it's always at the reversal point. All these ones are not reversal points. Okay. Anyway, you see inside that has not been taken out, they are just what's it called? The supply or demand. All right. So the next video is going to be how do you trade with the other block. All right.